When solving multi-step equations, the first thing you look for is any distributed property, and then you combine like terms and then you solve. So in this first example, there is no distributed property, but we do have some like terms on the same side of the equal sign. You have a 2x and a 5x. So you put those together, you're going to get 7x. Drop down your plus 3, drop down your equals, drop down your 17. Then you have a two-step equation, so we find the zero pairs. So you have a positive 3, get rid of it, you use a negative 3 on both sides. So you'll have 7x equals 14, and then get your x by itself by dividing both sides by 7. So divide by 7, x will equal 2. On this next problem, we have a distributed property, so you're going to distribute the 3 to the 2x, and the 3 to the negative 6. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Drop down the equals, drop down to 24. So now we have a two-step equation again, so we need to find our zero pair. So we have a negative 18, give it a positive 18. Give this side a positive 18. So you'll have 6x equals 42. 6 times x, so to undo it, you divide by 6. X is going to equal 7. So sometimes we have just combining like terms, like this first example. Sometimes we have just distributed property, like this example. And then sometimes we have both in the same problem, like this example. So here, the first thing you're going to do is distribute this negative 2 to both terms. So you're going to take negative 2 times x and negative 2 times negative 4. So drop down your 6, drop down your equals. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 4 gives you a positive 8. And then drop down your plus 12. You don't distribute the negative 2 to the 12 because it's not inside the parentheses. So now once we clear the parentheses, by using our distributive, we combine like terms on the same side of the equal sign. So I'm looking at numbers that are on this side here, over here. Okay, so the same side of my equal. So this now, what I see is an 8 and a 12. So I put those together to get a positive 20. So I'm going to rewrite 6, drop my equal sign, negative 2x, and then positive 20. Now I have a two-step equation. So I'm going to do my zero pair, which is a positive 20, so I give it a negative 20. Give this side a negative 20. So a positive 6, negative 20, make a negative 14, equals negative 2x. Get my x by itself by dividing both sides by negative 2. So 7 will equal x. So the first thing you always look for is distributive property if you have it. If you don't, then you combine like terms if you can that are on the same side of your equal sign. If you have done all that, you usually create a two-step equation, and then you can solve it how we did in yesterday's lesson.